Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how much time will it take to recover your losses. So let's get started. As you can see here, I've pulled up a chart of this one. As you can see here at this level, this was the last highest high on this stock over here. Sorry, it's loading, so I've showed the wrong place. This was the highest high in this type of market. So as you can see, as it dropped below, in this case, if the market is at its highest, sorry, again you can see here at if the market is at its highest high. So what I told you about risk management is that whenever the market the correction is like about this much drop over here, let me show it to you. Yeah. If the market drops like this, which you will recognize if you're an experienced trader, whenever the market drops like this, you should have your risk management up to 5%. If it's dropped, so your investment won't kept hold in this one, and you can invest. If the market comes down, invest that amount again and go along with the trade. You can short from to this position as well. But as you can see here, I will show this place, sorry. As you can see here, as the market starts to drop, you can see from these levels, you can see that it almost reached, not almost, but some gap reached. There's enough space, like how much was it? 39.38, and how much? 36.36. So we can say that it almost reached that level. So if you invest in the stock market and the prices start to drop, so no worries about it. It takes time to come back to that position. Only you're going to have to wait for it. Now in this case, you can see it's 35. It's trading in the 35 range. You can see here 40 and 35 range, and now it's trading at, let me show you, the last time it traded was 19.04. so it takes time to go back to its to the prices that were before, but it takes much of a time. Like you can see here, this is quite a lot of time it took to come back to 19, to a price of 19. So my opinion here would be that you should not invest that long, because the returns are not that much, and you just want to reach to your to that level where you have purchased stocks earlier. If the stocks start to drop from that level, then have a risk management of 5% and close your position. No need to keep that position over there. Short sell from that position to recover that amount of loss that you lost in the 5%. So place a stop loss there when it's at its highest. As you can see here, it haven't reached in that level. What date is it? It's 2017. So it haven't reached to that position within the 2 years. So why should you keep your why should you invest in a stock that's not going to go back to its to the previous position that you've purchased earlier? So my suggestion would be to sell those stocks over there and purchase another one for a time being. And meanwhile, keep an eye on this one, and short sell if needed. Buy at the places where it's needed. You can see here, if there are areas of corrections or pullbacks, you can buy over there and sell when the prices are high. So it takes time to recover your losses in the stock market. When you lose money, it's a part of trading. Don't worry about it. Don't need to panic. It's a part of the play. You can see here, whatever comes down goes up again. This is a statement that I've learned in the stock market. But sometimes it does not reach to the highest levels. As you can see here, Now it's trading at 14.55. So it haven't reached to the 35 level in the past 2 years. So I guess we'll have to wait for it in the future videos. Now this is a side trend. The concept is this one is quite different. As you can see that both buyers and sellers are equally participating in the market. Buyers are pushing the market up, sellers pulling back the market down. So in this case, uh, never invest when the market is when the prices are high. As you can see here, once the prices are gone, like in these levels, so don't invest in levels like these. As you can see here that this stock is not worth buying. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. You can see here, you can see at different levels. So I have showed to you in my previous video on how to trade a side trend with the help of RSI. You can check those as well for better trading in the in the if you want to trade in the if you want to trade in a side trend, that's a great video. If not, I would suggest that not to trade in a side trend, because there is no clear cut pattern of where the market is going. As you can see here, look, buy only when you see, like, if the moving average is going down, you can see, follow the indicators in this case as well. I was saying that buy when the stocks are open below and closed above. That's correct, but you can see here, you will have to take a look at the indicators as well, consider those as well in your trading in the now over here you see it will be this case, as it goes up and will come down back down again. So be careful in trading in a side trend. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and if you want to learn more about the stock market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.